What's up, what's good, what's poppin', babies? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this is going to be a little bit different from what I always do. So as you can see from the title up there, this is going to be my acne journey story time / what skincares do I use. A quick disclaimer, I do not have a perfect skin. As you can see on my makeup videos, my before shots, I have lots of pimple marks on my face. I have very deep acne scars. It isn't really that much visible on the camera, but trust me, I do have lots of imperfections. So to start off my story, way back in high school, I really get small pimples here and there all over my face. And then during my third year and fourth year high school, I would really get bigger cystic acne, some ones that have pus inside, which are very annoying, and you can see bumps on my face. And that is something that I am really insecure back then, and I wasn't proud of my skin. Then fast forward on my college days, on my first year of college, I started hormones. A lot of you might not know this, but I am transgender. I am male to female transgender. So basically, I am born male, and then now I'm transitioning myself to be the woman that I always wanted to be. So with that, one of the things that we have to do is to start our hormonal replacement therapy, or HRT. So basically, what HRT means is that you will use hormones like oral hormones or injectable hormones, and then as time passes by, you will see the differences. You will get bigger tits and perkier butts, and differences on facial structures. You will become more feminine. So I started hormones on my first year of college, and then that is one of the main reasons why I believe that it triggered my hormonal acne. So during my first year of college, I always changed my hormones from time to time. I couldn't stick with just one hormones because I think that if I stick with one hormones, I would feel that it isn't very effective enough. So I will change and change until I find the right dosage. But girl, that is really bad and extremely dangerous to your health, because trying and concocting lots of medications and self-medicating is really bad. It can really damage your liver. So I've paid the price. I've had so many bad acne before on my first 2 years of college because, as I've said, I am concocting my own medicine. I'm trying different doses of hormones, trying different doses of pills, and injecting here and there. So yeah, it was a really bad time for me because I have severe acne. So from the year 2015 to year 2018, I would get lots of cystic acne on my face. So yeah, I couldn't get out of the house. I was really depressed. I feel like people are looking at me and trying to judge me, but I don't know, maybe that's just inside of my head, but I can feel their stares at me, even though they are not like talking to me. I feel like they are talking about me, because you know, you get that feeling when they are just staring at you and they're just looking at you and something's like really wrong with you. So that's how I felt before. So yeah, I have tried everything, and I have spent lots and lots of medications just to treat my acne. I remember going to the dermatologist and remembered my mom paying 10,000 pesos. So that's roughly around $200 for some medications like toners, creams, and the facial, that one-time facial that I got. So yeah, that is really a pain in the wallet for my mom. So yeah, I have tried lots of things, including the 10-step Korean skincare routine. It didn't really work for me, and you know how expensive Korean skincares are. So yeah, I've tried that, and also the Eskinol with the Dalicin C, which is the antibiotic pill that you put into the toner. So yeah, that is not advisable. My friend, which is a registered pharmacist, told me that it can cause antibiotic resistance. So yeah, I've also tried that. And I remember back then that I would stare in the mirror and just look at myself, look how hideous I am, and that wasn't really healthy for me. And I think that it is one of the most roughest times of my past. Because I am very desperate about getting clear skin, I would research, type into the internet, type into the web, what foods should I eat and foods what I should not eat, because there are foods that can really trigger your facial sebums. So yeah, those are the facial oils. and it can really cause blockage of the pores. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I read. And I have tried medications, oral medications for my acne, and then still it didn't work. When I go to the facials, I feel like they're just poking my face. They're literally just damaging my face, and they're just making deep scars. So that's why I have very deep acne scars, which are similar to moon's crater, because they are really just deep and they are really not that visible on the camera. But in person, if you will look closely to my face, you will see there are deep scars. So those were the times where I feel like I am not beautiful. I don't believe in myself anymore, and I would always get out of the house with makeup on, and still makeup couldn't cover my face because of the bumps in my face. So yeah, that is one of the main reasons why I left YouTube for so long, because of my acne. Because I know that lots of beauty gurus and makeup gurus have perfect skin. With their perfect skin, they can encourage lots of viewers in their channels. So like if I didn't have clear skin, people wouldn't watch my videos, they wouldn't subscribe to me, because I have very ugly skin back then. So yeah, that's what caused me to get out of YouTube, to stop YouTube for a moment. When I tried to cover my face with makeup, there would still be bumps. I mean, the redness would go off, but the bumps are still visible, so you still can't hide it. So yeah, those were the dark times of my past. And I really would like to share my skincare journey with you, my acne journey with you, and I will show you the things that I've used, so just keep on watching. But for now, I'm going to show you the before photos of how my face looked like before. So yeah, that is how my face looked like, and I hope that it didn't change on how you look at me right now. I'm still the same person, but yeah. So right now, I'm going to be showing you my current skincare. So quick disclaimer guys, before I show you the products that I use, I have oily to combination skin type. I get oily on my T-zone and a little bit dry on the rest of my face. So these products may or may not work on you in case you wanted something new on your routine because of our different skin types. And also, this video is not sponsored by the products that I'll be mentioning. So without further ado, this is my current skincare routine. So I start off by removing all the dirt on my face, including my makeup. And with that, I am using the Nivea micellar water and also just a regular wipes, any kind of wipes. And this micellar water removes all the waterproof eye makeup that I have, and I can use 2 wipes with this for a full clean face. Next is for my facial wash, I'm using the Clean and Clear Deep Action Refreshing Gel Cleanser. This product removes all the dirt and residues left from my makeup, and it leaves a very cooling sensation to my face. I also do not wipe my face with the towel that I use on my body because I believe that it can cause cross-contamination between the face and the body. I use tissue rather than towel because this is very hygienic and disposable. For my toner, I'm using the Garnier Micellar Water, and this product is very mild on the face and it doesn't have any alcohol content, which I love because it is a gentle cleansing toner. And lastly, for my moisturizer, I am using this aloe vera gel from Nature's Republic. This is my holy grail product and I cannot live without this. This product is a lifesaver because this really helped me with my acne. I would also love to add this product, which is the SkinMate Shark Oil. This removes dead skin, dark spots, and blemishes, allowing new skin cells to rejuvenate. This makes your skin smooth, white, and radiant and young looking, similar to Korean glass skin. I do not use this product always. I use this every time I feel like my skin is very haggard, very dry, and very rough. And also, this product can cause mild peeling, so you might want to reschedule all your plans for the next few days. This isn't really what I used when I was in the Philippines, but since the Classic Beauty Rejuvenating Set isn't locally available here in the Middle East, I used this shark oil as a substitute. But yeah, this works for me. So aside from these skincares, I also do microneedling on my face. I do it by myself, and here are some clips on how I do it. Collagen induction therapy, also known as microneedling, derma rolling, or skin needling, is a cosmetic procedure that involves repeatedly puncturing the skin with tiny sterile needles. This procedure uses small needles to prick the skin. The purpose of this treatment is to generate new collagen in skin tissue for smoother, firmer, and more toned skin. Microneedling is mostly used on the face and may treat various scars, wrinkles, and large pores. The recovery time is very minimal, and you may notice skin irritation and redness within the first few days following the procedure. This is a natural response to the small injuries made by the needles in your skin. Your skin will also be more sensitive to the sun, so sunscreen is a must. So yeah, that is a very bloody process, but trust me, it helped me with my deep acne scars. Because way back, I've had very deep acne scars, but now they are still there. They are still visible, but not like before, which were very deep, as in very deep. If you want to watch the whole process of me microneedling, plus the tools, before and after care, and how I do it, how for the procedure, how much does it cost, where did I buy it, just leave a comment down below if you are interested, if you want me to do a separate video of me doing my microneedling. So right now, I'm going to be flashing my current skin, which is not very clear, but mind you, in the past 5 years, this has been the most clearest that it has gotten. So that was it. That is my acne journey story, and that's my skincare routine, because a lot of people have been tagging me and messaging me my current skincare routine. So here it is, guys. So I really do hope that you guys enjoyed and learned something from this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe these videos for more, because that would really help me a lot. So thank you for watching, and thank you for tuning in until the end of this video, and I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.